In today's video, I am going to show you ReciMe App Review 2025 and pros and cons. ReciMe's biggest strength is its recipe collection and recipe importing features. Users really like that you can pull recipes from social media sources, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, Facebook, etc., or from blogs and websites, and have ingredients plus method steps nicely formatted in the app. The grocery list tool is also well rated. You can generate shopping lists by recipe, arranged by supermarket aisle or recipe, which many people find saves time. It also supports meal planning, cookbooks, that is to say, grouping recipes, cloud syncing, scaling servings, adjust ingredient quantities, up or down, and switching between measurement units. These are especially useful if you cook regularly, meal prep, or reuse recipes from different online sources. The interface is clean and aesthetically pleasing, and many say ReciMe helps them stay organized. No more nasty mix of screenshots, bookmarks, or scattered recipe links. For casual or home cooks who like collecting recipes, sharing with family or friends, or simplifying grocery planning, ReciMe seems to provide real value. On the downside, there are quite a few complaints from users. The subscription model is one major friction point. The free version is very limited, only a small number of recipe imports allowed, and many users feel that the cost of the paid plan is high for what you get. Another issue is reliability. Bugs and glitches show up often. Also, ReciMe is currently iOS focused, with Android support still pending. If you use Android, that's a drawback. So, is it honestly worth it? If you are a frequent cook, love trying new recipes from social media, ReciMe is likely worth the cost. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.